Alright, so we will try to cover like what is update set and where it is stored and what it captures, what it doesn't capture. And we have default update set, we have create new local update set, and we can see like we will see how we can basically use the update set and how to import, and then we will see how we can preview, commit or migrate update set, or we have other option also, merge update set. We can, if suppose we have multiple update set, then how we can merge it. And then there is parent child update set also. So suppose if we want to send 10 update set in some that would be going at a once, but it will be following some sequence. So we will see that. So that is like parent update set, where it will have multiple child update set, and then the changes can be moved. Okay. So now we will search here update set. So earlier there used to be PPT, but version by version things get upgrade every 6 months. ServiceNow upgrade, so it's very difficult to change things. So we will basically go through the latest ones. Okay, the Zurich one, because recently the ServiceNow has moved to Zurich. Right? So what update set is, basically update set is a group of customizations which is captured while adding the customization done to specific tables or any platform specific things. The changes are happening, right? But we have to capture those changes in certain set so that it can be moved to the test instance, right, or the production instance, right? So whatever development we are doing in development instance, that should be migrated to test and prod also, right?
Yeah.
So for doing that, we have one of the option to migrate our customization from one instance to other. So we have other option also. So it's like right now ServiceNow has provided other feature like source control thing, like whatever changes is done, we can migrate it just by in connection, setting up a connection between the instances, and then the things can be synced there. Just like GitHub, how it used to be in GitHub, we can create the branch, and then we can commit the branch. So right now also the things are happening with the custom application, like we are moving the version by version wise changes in the application. So that is also another way, but update set is like most used and the traditional way, and which is utilized a lot while moving the changes. Okay, so the update set is the most famous one, for which we try to move customization from one system to other system. Okay, and we have to define certain names, or we have to follow the certain standard so that it would be more understandable to everybody, like for what purpose the update set which I have created is used. Okay, so this will capture the customizations happening, and there are some more things which is not captured inside update set, just like user groups. So these are not stored, these are because these are the data, it's not a customization, right? So these are not stored. One thing is this thing, data is not captured, and there are many other things which is not captured, like schedule job also is not captured. We can move it directly through XML because those are the jobs which are created, but those doesn't comes under customization. because
Bro, actually, if we want to migrate any data in the means from one instant to one instant, like users or group, we need to manually create in the test instance also manually.
no, it's generally happening through integration if there are lot many users. So AD integration is happening for all
What
the system.
integration? What integration you told?
AD integration, Active Directory. So
Okay,
every
okay.
company already has their own Active Directory where all the users are present.
Okay.
When you log into your company system, you have your email id using same email id everywhere. So how
Mm-hmm.
that is happening, that is basically the user is basically stored on those system, and then it
Oh.
is utilizing the single sign on. SSO happens for your same email id will work for many applications, right? So everywhere that
Hmm.
integration is happening so that user could be authenticated.
Okay. Okay, bro. But I mean, will you show me like practically how you are like now? Will you show
No,
me
active
how?
directory is we don't have any live active directory, and it
Okay,
is
okay.
it doesn't comes free also, so we cannot show in
Uh,
a demo.
in the sense like are we going to download any file and placing it in the test environment? Is that how it works, or like what is the process? Integration in the sense like how it can be done.
So integration setup is there. We have to do the setup for AD integration. So there is
Okay.
Microsoft account will be synced inside our ServiceNow, and then IDP will be set in ServiceNow, and the SSO
Okay, you are
configuration will be
saying.
done under ServiceNow.
Okay, you are saying if any configuration comes that will be done in all the environments. So if any user adds in the dev environment, it will get reflected in
No,
all the
so
environments. Is what
so
you
the
are saying.
integration is not happening for all the system. The reason is because everywhere you will not be having test, dev, and production.
Yeah.
So there would be active directly, and most of the company will be having production only. They don't have any dev or test. So how it
Uh-huh.
usually work is like when it is stored in production, then automatically people try to clone the production to their dev or test instance, or they use the XML export and import. So they can export
Hmm.
the XML and directly load in the dev or test instance.
Okay.
So that XML will provide all the user data which is recently updated from the Active Directory for production.
Mm-hmm. The same way scheduled jobs also will
Yes,
be done. You're
every
saying.
for
Okay.
every integration it works that way only. Live
Oh.
integration you will be having only when you have some dev system on that
Mm.
third party application side. Then only your dev or test will be synced. If there is only production, then there is no chance the integration will be working in dev or test. It will be only working in production only.
Okay.
Okay,
Usual.
for that the setup is happening. We have to set up single sign on in the system
We'll
as soon
implement the
as.
thing. Yeah.
So this is the system property here, single sign on, and you can set up the things here, but more setup is required while we are doing Microsoft Azure basically integration. So we have to set up lot more details here. So we have to
Mm-hmm.
enable the plugin, some of the plugins, and then we can do the integration. But in PDI you will get very less things to see,
Mm-hmm.
because those are
Okay.
real time thing and that is not available free of cost. So
Mm.
ServiceNow system is available free, that is fine, but other system is not available free.
Okay. Okay, bro.
Okay, so now the customization has to be moved. So how we will create the update set? So we will search here update set, and we have to click under local update set. So this is our update set. and we have to click local update set, and then we can click on new. So here you see there is a some format. By default it is coming for me because I am using it for certain things, so it is coming by
Okay.
default. So this is just sample. You can type your name initial, then
Mm.
a story number could be str007894. So this is my story, and what date I am doing. Suppose I am modifying on 20th November, so 20 November 2025. So this format I have for general things, but it could be separate for every company. So
Yeah.
they will provide the format or according to module also. So suppose they are doing ITSM, then they will ask you to follow certain type of process
Mm-hmm.
or certain type of format for update set consistency. So now
Okay.
this I have provided it, and now I will click on submit and make current. So we have to set our update set as current, then only we can capture the customization under the same update set which you have created. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so right now this is the update set and it is not having anything inside it. No any customer updates are there. Okay, because we didn't update anything or modified anything or created anything. So
Mm-hmm.
now we will go to, suppose we will open some client script. We will open some business rules. We will open some UI policy. Now we will try to make changes. So far it is inactive. So I will basically do as active. Similarly, I will do this business rule also as active. Now I will do this UI policy also active. These are already created. So I have deactivated it, but it will be also captured. So let's see the update set. It should have 3 updates: UI policy, business rule, client script, right?
Yeah, what is the update done for the particular thing? Will it show, bro? If you click on the time created.
Yes, it will show for what change you have done. If you open it and you can select, this is already the current one. We have to go to show related record, and now under versions if you come, we have to select these 2 records, last one and this one, and then you have to click on. Okay, so you can do this way. So you see what changes done here. So you can open the
Mm.
older version update, and now you can do current, compare to current. So here you will see only active check is marked as true. See, this is modified to true, rest other things same.
Okay, it will show all the fields like
Yes,
selected version, the current version. Okay. Okay, bro. First, we have to go to the update set and the select hours, and then go to show related list.
yes,
And we have to open the previous one, and we need to click on compare with the current, right?
yes.
Mm,
Okay, now the changes is captured here, all the changes which I have done. Let me do inactive also simultaneously. That will also be captured there. Your update set will be same. It's just some modification happened. It will show also if update, if the modification happened. You see right now I also updated it again, these two.
yeah.
So we can see all these three records are captured under this update set. Now if
Yeah.
suppose
Yes.
I have to move it to further test instance, then how we can do? So first we have to complete this update set. So how we will do? We will just change the status for this update set to complete and then click on save. Okay.
Okay.
Now you can do export to XML here.
Bro, reports also will get captured here. Reports.
What?
Reports will be captured here, bro. No.
Reports we can check. Go to reports.
Okay. After clicking on export to XML, what we have to do?
Yeah, let me complete it first.
Yeah.
So this is complete. Now we can do the export to XML.
Hmm.
Now I don't have other instance, so I will show in my instance itself.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
suppose this is, that was dev exported, and now I have to load it in this test. So there will be link coming. You have to click on retrieved update set, import update set from XML. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, if you click that, what will be the thing next? You click the bro.
So I will click here, then this file upload will come, and I will click on choose file. I will select the update set and I will click on upload.
Okay.
Now you see the status loaded. Now the job is not finished. You have to click on this update set and you can do the preview. So preview will verify whether the update set updates are correct or not.
Okay.
You can see error also here sometimes. It could be like
Okay.
somebody has migrated the latest thing of your changes earlier. So you will see an message whether you have to keep that or whether you have to revert to your changes. So
Okay.
whatever,
Okay.
if you select yours, your version will be uploaded on that instance.
Okay.
Okay. So I will click on close. Now preview is done, no error is found. We can click on commit. Okay, so it will show here what is inserted, updated, deleted, collisions, and what are the total changes happening. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this way we can uh, add the customization and move from dev to test. So now
Okay.
you were talking about reports. So let me reload the form. Then my update set will go because I have already completed, so it will automatically
Mm.
gets complete.
Bro, after this once, just tell me how, if you want to, you told right, if something not captured in the update set, we'll move the XML is what you told it. You can you show that also like
Yes,
schedule job?
you can go to any table list. So this is my list,
Yeah.
or let me go to groups list. So now this is the group list, and we have this export button, right? Under export we have XML also, right?
Actually, if you are exporting from the list, what is there, everything will be exported, right?
Yes,
For my doubt is like, suppose already there are some 10 existing scheduled jobs, and you have added one more in the dev instance, which needs to be moved to the test. Like 10 are already existing also. The one new schedule of which has created in the dev, that only alone needs to be moved to the
yes,
test.
you can
Is that
select that
possible?
record, it will also work. If I right click here, it will also export single record.
Okay, okay. We need to give the our requirement in the filter
So
options, like
whatever you
in the
want to
breadcrumbs.
export, it's your choice. You can add the filter
Okay,
always.
okay, 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 bro. Like after doing this, the same thing we need to do, right? Like import, retrieve updates. It's after. I mean, in the test instance, how we have to
You
retrieve
can
the
you
XML?
can you can import XML here also. So if you are exporting from here, you can
Oh,
import also from here.
okay, okay, okay.
I can show you that also. So suppose
Mm.
let me take some sample groups. So now
Okay, for updates it's alone, we are
I
doing the
will
retrieve update
I
process,
will
right?
I will export this record.
Okay.
I will click on download. Now
Mm.
let me delete it. So now the IT team is deleted here. Okay. Now I don't have any IT team group.
ITM. Okay.
So we have to now import XML. So only IT team will come back. See, it has
Oh,
came.
okay, okay. Like which is not part of update sets, we can directly import and export the things. If not, we need to add
Yes,
in the retrieve update sets.
yes. Sometime it could be
Oh.
there. You have to add it manually rather than exporting the XML.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you were talking about reports. So let's try to see what happens.
Mm.
So I will click on submit and make current. Now I will click here on reports. So this is our reports.
We have separate reports topic, right, bro? Reports and performance analytics.
So this is the report. It is not showing anything because it is not having the record. Now I will modify it. Let us take other report. Nothing is showing here. Active, we have all incident should be there. Yes, all incident by location. Okay, so this is having some data. Now what I will do, I will modify this report. Changed. I will click on save. Okay, now let's see whether the changes are captured or not. So you see reports changes are captured.
Yeah, report users and group. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Bro, you'll explain the reports also, right, in further classes?
yeah, I can tell it anytime.
Yeah.
Report is not a big thing.
Yeah, I want to understand about reports and performance analytics.
Performance
Like,
analytics is separate thing. There we have to create breakdowns and
yeah.
indicators. So that is separate thing. So I will explain you on out of the box things mostly.
Okay, sure, sure, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, reports also will be covered a part of update set, right?
Now we have to see how we can merge the update set. Suppose we have to merge the update set which is created today.
Like merging when it will be used, bro?
So you have created multiple update set and multiple changes are there on separate update set, but the migration you have to do. So there is
At
a,
once.
you can basically, why that is happening, because there could be a chance you have updated on multiple update set similar thing, then it will
Okay.
impact your changes when it is moved. So it's good like you merge everything and then send it across, unless you
Mm-hmm.
have created it story wise. So suppose you have created multiple changes you have done on multiple update set, then how
Mm-hmm.
you will make sure where you have made the latest one.
Okay.
If
In order
similar
to
if
movement.
same update set, if same update is done multiple times on all three update sets, so how you will find it? You can find it anyway,
Okay.
but you have to find it which is the latest one, then you will remove
Okay,
it.
bro, actually, for three same changes were made in three different update sets, and when you are merging it into one, will it show that
it
we
will
can?
it will show only the latest one.
Okay, okay, then fine. If it is same, it will show only one.
Yes, if you merge
Okay,
it, it will show only one, otherwise it will not show.
okay, okay. Then continue.
So we will try to merge these updates.
Okay.
Here there are 3, here also there are 3. Why it created 2? Okay, so I have loaded it basically. Okay, so while showing the demo for retrieved, that's why
Yeah.
it is showing 2 times. Now there are 3 update set, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. These changes are different, but in these 2 update set we have only one change.
Similar.
So
Yeah.
you will not see 9 updates there, you will see only 6 only.
Uh-huh.
Let me click on merge. So merge also you have to do carefully. When you click on merge, you will see all the updates set here that will be available for merge. So you have to
Okay.
add the filter also, then only you have to merge it. Okay. Okay,
Yes, bro.
now these are the update set which will be merged, and the new update set name will be merge set. Okay,
Hmm.
you can rename it according to you but I am keeping it simple so that you will understand. Now I will merge it. Now this is the merge set. It will have only 6 updates. See,
Yeah.
3, it will not take it duplicate. One will be coming, and that too with the latest details.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
now it is merged. Now what will happen to the old update set? All old update set will get some changes. So you see this update set remains here, but here updates, customer updates has moved to merged, and from here also it is moved to merged set. Okay,
Okay, you are saying in the previous parent update set, it will not be there in the customer updates, right?
parent
We'll go to
update set
update set
is
logs.
not happening anything here. I am doing the merge update set as of now. No
Yeah,
parent
that's what
thing.
the. Okay, okay.
No parent thing. Here you see there are no updates.
Once you go to update set log, bro. Okay,
Update
what does
set
this tell me? Update set log.
update set log is nothing. It is telling about the status while loading.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay, bro.
Here
Understood.
you
The
will not
old
see the
one.
update set log. Here also you will not see, because this is the
Hmm.
retrieved update set which is migrated. There you are seeing
Okay.
the update set logs.
Mm-hmm. Understood, bro.
Yeah. Now we will see this all changes gone. Now this is the merge set. Okay, now you see what all update set are merged. You will see the detail. This update set move to ignore these two, and in progress will be in progress only, because it was in progress. So I have completed it manually, but it will be in progress only. But if it is complete, it will show ignore all the time.
Okay. Like before merging, I think we need to complete the update
No,
set,
that
right?
is not mandatory.
Okay, okay. But before moving, we need to make it as complete from one instance to another
Yes,
instance.
yes. Otherwise, export to XML option will not come. Here you don't see
Oh,
any export to XML.
exam. Yeah.
So when you are doing it complete, then only it will show.
Okay, bro.
Now we will see the parent child thing. So we can see under here itself. So suppose we have all these updates set. Let me remove ignore one also. Now if suppose this is the merge set, and under child update set, if we have to add any update set from here, like it should be moved in some sequence, so you can add it on your child update set. So all the update set will go accordingly what is updating first, so it will take the priority automatically.
Like for the priority to be added, we need to add the child updates, it is what you're saying.
Yes.
Like
So
if we add in the merge itself, like all the updates, what will happen? Everything will be done at once?
you don't have to do all update set.
No, like you have merged, no bro. In that you have added 3 update sets. Now
Yes.
which you are adding in the child also, you can add it in the merge update sets only, no?
Yeah,
Like
we
what
can
is the
add
difference?
anywhere. So I'm telling update set. So merge set is merge functionality is done. Forget about
Okay,
merge.
that's why I
Merge is already
understood.
done. This is just a name. You can change the name.
Not the naming. I'm just saying, if you want to add the what we'll say, if you want to send multiple update sets at a one go, you can do it merging. No, what is the use of child update set
So
separately? Is what my doubt.
merging and child update set is completely different. Suppose you have 100 of update set. Now how you will merge all the update set?
Okay.
The time you will consume in creating the filter, the time you will send the all the update set under child, and it will move it sequentially. Suppose now the 10 stories are there, and all the 10 stories is having separate changes, then what is the use of merging? Merging is not required at there. You can use parent child relationship. Merging is there. Suppose you are having 5 to 10 update set and you have modified changes in all the update set, then the merging facility is available. I
Okay.
told you, when you have 3 updates captured on 3 different update set.
Yeah, I understood
Yeah,
that.
so that is
I'm
the
little
concept for
confused about
merge
name.
update set.
Okay.
Okay, because the when not every time the merging is required, because there would be auditing also happening. What changes is captured in what update set? You cannot capture
Oh.
everything in one update set.
Okay.
Okay, if you are working on a agile model, then you have to define every story update set
Yeah.
as separate story, and every changes as separate update set only.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's
Okay.
not like you
Now,
will merge everything. You have 5 stories you are moving, and now you're thinking like I should merge and send it. No, we don't have to do that.
okay. Now, how this child update set works, bro?
So here we have to add the child update set, and suppose I have added those update set from edit update set. So now here you see all the update set came here, but it will work on some sequence. Uh,
I have one more doubt here. If we are making everything in one XML, and if we are sending it, like how we will know child is going sequentially? Anyway, the only single file will be uploaded in the retrieve update sets, right?
yeah, so everything will be captured under XML only. XML will maintain that.
Okay, the sequential order also will XML
Yes,
maintain.
yes, it will maintain. It will not.
Okay. Like how
It
we
will
know
not
what
decide
is
priority based on you. What you define there. There is no priority
Mhm.
defined by you. It will be taking when the first update set was created. So it will install according to that.
Okay, like this is one advantage with the child update sets, right?
So now if you see the created time, so the update set which is created first out of these five, that will import first. So this is the update set which is created first, then this will go, then after this will go, then this, then this, then this.
Okay, this info also will be loaded in the XML,
Yes,
and it will
yes,
say like it is stored in the child update set. So that is the reason it should go sequentially, right?
yes.
Okay. Okay, bro, understood.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it works that way. So if you will complete it, now you see what option, what thing is coming here. If I click on complete, automatically all child update set will get complete. One of the update set is in progress. See, now let me complete it, and I have tick on yes, so it will complete below ones also. Is it? Let me reload. What happened?
It is still in progress.
This will complete all update set in a batch. Yes, maybe it is loading. Yes, it is loading.
Like when you add the things in the child update sets, those will be shown in the update sets in batch, right?
Yes, yes, everything will show inside batch update set. Why taking time? I don't know. Let me do one thing. Let me complete it. Ideally it should do automatically, and it works also, but wait, what is happening here? Why it is okay? That will accidentally I have added parent update set also. Let me remove it. No, these are all complete only, but why it is not completing? This will complete all update set in a batch.
Now it is completed, bro. I
No, it
guess.
is showing here, but same update set is showing here also.
Yeah, the parent one is still in progress. Yes.
Because it should show the XML option. I don't know what is the issue.
If you remove that one from the
It will
update
not
set in
remove.
batch,
It will be
okay.
added only, but ideally it should show the XML button here. That is
Mm-hmm.
fine. Everywhere it is showing. I don't know why. I haven't added here also. Is there any issue with update set? Not sure. I didn't add also, and it added by default. And this is not the place. I have added only 4.
But like the parent one is also got added. Is it by default added or?
That is added. That is fine. That is fine. It is added.
Okay.
But it is not completing also here.
Yeah. Like, can we come into the list and there we can manually make it complete?
It is not happening, I'm telling you. See, every time you will
Yeah.
open, it will show in progress, and if I click on complete, and again it will stuck. Again I will open from here in new tab. Again
Yeah,
it
I
will
understood.
stuck.
I understood.
Don't know what thing is happening here. Something wrong with the instance. That should not work this way. From anywhere I will do, it will not work the change. Okay, it
So
is
the current update has been, yeah, that's how
now it
I,
is updated.
yeah, from the list. Uh,
Now it is showing all complete. Now it will show export update set batch to XML.
mm-hmm.
So this is the batch which is downloaded.
Okay.
Now if we, but we can load it as normal update set itself. Retrieved update set. So you will see batch loaded in batch. So we will open the remote update set. Now preview update set batch. See child update set 4, customer update in batch 11 total. I will click on preview update set batch. So this will check all update sets separately. Now see the error is there because there would be new changes there. See found a local update set which is newer. Okay, so I will skip that because already the latest changes there. Okay, so I will skip it. Now the problem has resolved and we can commit the update set. So now you see committing update set batch, it is completed. So you see in below these are committed automatically. See 2 minutes ago loaded and it is committed also at same time. See, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this way we can basically uh, download and then upload in other instance as a batch. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, so yeah, so that's all for today.